Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with quick, high-impact checks so you can rule out simple failures fast. First, make sure the keyboard has battery or is plugged in. Hold its power button 3-5 seconds to wake it. Then check whether you're using USB or Bluetooth and inspect the cable and port for debris. Once done, restart your Mac from the Apple menu. This clears many temporary driver and Bluetooth cache problems, so test the keys right after the system boots. Next, focus on the Bluetooth stack and system settings because pairing conflicts or misconfigurations are common causes. Open Bluetooth preferences, select the keyboard, and remove or forget it. Then repair by holding the keyboard's pairing button. If that fails, reset the Bluetooth module via Shift plus Option. Click on the Bluetooth icon and choose Debug. This rebuilds connections. Also, inspect system settings right arrow keyboard to confirm input. Finish by isolating the problem so you know whether to repair or reconfigure. Try the keyboard with another Mac or an iPad. If it works there, the issue is software on your Mac. Once done, create a new user account or boot in safe mode to eliminate corrupt user preferences and third-party interference. If the keyboard still fails on multiple devices, you're likely facing hardware failure. In that case, contact Apple support or schedule a service appointment as the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.